So the first thing you need to learn is that in the oceans there's a surface mixed layer. And it's called surface mixed layer because it's well mixed. And the mechanisms that mix this layer is one is wind-induced turbulence, and the other one is a process called convection, okay, driven through unstable density stratification. Okay, the thickness of this layer can vary. Typical thickness can be 50 meters, but in some regions it can be several hundred meters. Okay, it's called the surface mixed layer. Okay, and so for example, if you heat up the ocean, this warming will extend to the base of the surface mixed layer. Okay. So in addition to that, there's a very thin layer at the top of the surface mixed layer, which is called the surface skin of the ocean, and that operates as an interface between the atmosphere and the surface mixed layer. It's the surface skin. And at this point I already want to introduce you to something which is called the thermocline. Okay? And thermoclines are temperature transition zones in the warm water regions of the ocean. They don't exist in polar regions. Okay? And it's shown here over my head, a little sketch of what we call a seasonal thermocline. It's the temperature transition zone which starts at the base of the mixed layer and then goes down to a depth of seasonal thermoclines can be 500 meters in some regions. Underneath that is a structure that we call the permanent thermocline. And permanent thermoclines don't undergo seasonal variations. And then we come to the very cold and deep parts of the oceans, which are called the deep oceans. Okay,